Yeah. Haters. Power. Yeah. Let's go. You think it's a game? This shit is ours. Talking about money, the drugs, respecting the power. Yeah. You think it's a game? I'm fucking with cowards. Yeah. Talking about money, the drugs, respecting the power. Money a drug, the rest is devoured. I stick to the script, fuck haters, get chips, respecting the power. Yeah. I'm sick as it gets, bring it right back in the hour. I'm touching them pills, we never do deals, not even on sour. Yeah. You think it's a game? Man, this is my life. Them boys, they tapping my line, I move out and switch my device. Living this life, let's be honest. I hustle for checks with them commas. Sipping and stretching the ganja while busting the track to a foreigner. Strapped with a vest with some armor. Houston, I think we got problems. Used to the hunger and starving. Used to the wonders of balling. Flushing more paper than tallest. Came up with 2 different ways of evolving. Pushing 100 my all in. Thinking my enemies laughing and coughing. Niggas, they out here be frauding. Living your life like you flawless. Most of you niggas be bullshit, thinking your life is so gorgeous. Most of us in for the money, many be in to be prouder. Full of us in for the name, but all of us in for the power. You think it's a game? This shit is ours. Talking about money, the drug, respecting the power. You think it's a game? You're fucking with cowards. Talking about money, the drug, respecting the power. Talking about money and drugs, respecting the power. Yeah. Talking about money and drugs, respecting the power. Yeah. I think it's a game. You're fucking with cowards. Talking about money and drugs, respecting the power. Yeah.